inside of this machine, there is vast dust and other, I don't know what you call it. Just anyway, it's dusty as dusty. There's an EEPROM. Don't know what it's for. There is an empty socket for a 6502. There is a lot of dust and stuff in here. Like a lot of dust. But this is, oh, and you see that leg, that's a leg for a SuperPET board. There's another leg. There's another leg. They put the screws, or the legs in to replace the screws. This is, oh yeah, it's a universal dynamic PET assembly. But anyway, this is filthy. Now, will it work? I don't know. My gut tells me it won't. But here's what I'm about to do. I'm going to go over, watch this magic trick. I'm going to go over to this PET 4032, and I'm going to steal the 6502 chip and put it in there. And then I'm going to carefully make sure that the cables don't touch in the back, and I'll give it some power and I'll see what I find. So thanks for having a look inside of this machine. It is, especially right over here, there's a lot of, I don't know what it is. It doesn't look like the rat board, but it's got a lot of stuff. Maybe I should get a leaf blower. Anyway, thanks for having a look inside. We'll carry on.